Hi, I'm Kyle Denbach, and I'm going to teach you how to stop slouching. So one thing many people have in common is that they want to improve their posture. And because many of us sit at desks and computers and we use cell phones or we drive around a lot, we become very self-aware of our postural positions. What can be happening here is that when you're stuck in this forward position, the brain forgets that it has a thoracic spine. Right? If we're not using certain parts of our body, the brain actually starts to prune neural connections. But of course, there's lots of area to move throughout the thoracic spine. So if we want to fix our posture, it's not simply a matter of trying to push yourself into what you think is good posture. That's just a rigid idea that you're trying to conform to. What you want to do is remind your body that it has these joints and it can move them and should have control over them. And the best way to do that is to perform a functional task. So let me show you how that can be done. So if I'm sitting at my desk and I've been here for hours, and maybe I'm always in this forward posture, my brain starts to forget that I have a thoracic spine. But a good functional task could be to look at the ceiling, something we don't do very often. But if I lead with my eyes, and I look up, now my body has to solve the problem of looking up. And for me to look up, I have to extend my thoracic spine, and I'm now creating good neural connections with that part of my body. And then I can look straight ahead again. How's my posture? Much better. Okay, so watching one more time. Slouching. Look up. Body solves the problem. Extending thoracic spine. Look straight ahead. Posture improved. Okay, now the problem with just trying to force yourself into a certain posture is that you're probably, A, it's probably really uncomfortable and very inefficient, and B, you're probably going to cause more problems than you solve. So if I'm slouching and I think, okay, I need to straighten my back, I might just arch my lower back, okay, and my shoulders are still rounded forward. I actually don't have any extra extension through my thoracic spine, right? So if I look up, oh, hi, found my thoracic spine, good extension through the upper back, posture is improved, okay? So it's not a matter of forcing yourself into a position, it's a matter of reminding your body it can move in certain ways and solve certain movement and postural problems in many ways. Sometimes we try to solve the posture problem by craning the neck, right? So now I'm getting tight back here, okay? Well, that's not so good. So how do I give my body a functional task to solve this problem? Well, if I can look up, extend my upper back, okay, maybe I still have a forward head posture. Well, what if, rather than trying to reach my head forward, what if I look down with my eyes? And what happened there? I looked down with my eyes and my neck, back of my neck extended and my deep neck flexors turned on, and now I've dealt with my forward head posture. Try to look down. Maybe I'm trying to look at my own chest with my eyes. Boom, chin tucks, back of the neck lengthens. So start thinking about using movement to solve problems, to help your brain connect with certain sleepy parts of your body. This can be a creative process. You don't have to do it this way, but this is one way I found works really, really well. I hope that helped you out, and maybe you'll find that your body moves much better than you ever thought it did just by trying to move it in new and novel ways. Okay? Until next time, take care.